Hello, future fanbase. I'm back after a month. I hope you missed me. I was pretty busy the past month, but now I'm back after a month, during which I was busy. Anywho, on with the video. Remember about 10 years ago when people used to play on things called Game Boys? Yeah, me neither. But there was this famous game called Tetris, and I've decided to remake it. But shittier. This should be fun. Tetris is a game in which there are shapes falling on the ground. The objective of the game is to align the shapes so that the lines below are filled. I started off as usual by making a new project in Unity. Then, channeling the pixel Picasso in me, I made some art for the game using Photoshop. Then I combined the separate blocks into a single tile set and exported the tile set into Unity. In Unity, I started by drawing the boundaries for the game and adding colliders to it so that the blocks actually land on the boundary. I obviously forgot to draw the main player block, without which there would be no game, so I went on and did that. Back in Unity, I put the player block for testing whether or not it falls. And although it fell, it took the boundaries along with it, unfortunately. On my second attempt, I got the gravity to work, but now on impact, it turns the boundary into a giant swing. Great. As a brilliant man once said, if something is bothering you, change its mass. So that's exactly what I did. And after adding some code, this is what I got. Awesome. Then I wrote some code to make the rest of the shapes. And it turned out pretty well, I guess. The game did have a few bugs, but hey, the name is Shitty Tetris. Now that the shapes and falling mechanism was created, I needed to make a timed shape spawner that would spawn a shape after every few seconds. But as you can see, the blocks don't stay put once they hit the ground, so I have to fix that. Once I did that, Shitty Tetris was no longer shitty. Or was it? Also, it seemed like OBS couldn't handle the power of my game, and it decided to crash. So I pretty much had to use my phone for the next record. I added some movement and rotation of the shapes in the game, which was not the best, but hey, it worked. Lastly, I added some UI to the game to polish it up, and here's the final product. I can proudly say that my game lives up to its name, Shitty Tetris. Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs down and unsubscribe from the channel. Thanks and see you later.